Welcome student in our 11th standard crop science division, which is covered our agriculture interest in that subject. So when you should be choose the crop science subject for your 11th science admission, that time you also fix the of your target after 12th standard. So we study the carefully what is the subject of crop science and which informations are to be related with this subject and what are the benefits, its syllabus and different technical skilled information about this subject which make your favorite interest in agriculture sector, that the lead in farmer you got PhD, doctorate and research work in agriculture field. So this time is your start now for fix your target and make efforts as better as you done. So initially student we study the syllabus of our 11th standard subject crop science, which is known as a bifocal subject that belongs to 100 marks. Out of these there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2 are studied in our subject. Paper 1 is 100 marks, paper 2 is 100 marks, but out of these paper 1 40 marks theory and 60 marks practical, and also same as paper second 40 marks theory and 60 marks as a practical examination. So the theory paper of this subject is total paper 1 plus paper 2, that is the 80, and practical marking scheme is there is near about 120. So it also help to increase your percentage in 12th standard, so that the students are choose mostly this subject which are studied after 12th in faculty of agriculture. Sometimes they also gone as a medical line or medical sector, that is the MBBS, BAMS, after that the pharmacy, B pharmacy, D pharmacy, and also paramedical courses. After that the hotel management and catering courses. After that 12th standard you dairy science, veterinary science, study of plain BSc in biology, microbiology, botany, or these students are target their aim and they make an effort to reach their the goal. So we initially study the syllabus which is in our paper 1, that is the there are 9 chapters are also in our paper 1, that is number 1 plant morphology, number 2 is the physiological functions of plant, number 3 one is the climate, number 4 is the soil agronomy, or soil science, then the plant nutrients, then manures, after that the fertilizers, next one is the soil water and plant relationship, and last one is the drainage. These are the syllabus for our paper 1. And also paper 2, there is a number 1 chapter seed, second chapter is the tillage, third one is the weed, next is the irrigation management, next one is the soil conservations, next one is the cropping system, then the harvesting of field crops, crop improvement, then the identification of pest and diseases, that is the insect and pest control and identification, and then the diseases which are mostly attack on the field crops, that is known as a diseases, identification of diseases and pest. These theory topics are also studied in our 11th standard for 80 marks, paper 1 40 and paper 2 40. After that 120 marks, 60 plus 60 is equal to 120, that is the our practical exam. So we got maximum marks in our theory paper and in our practical exam. To complete your work throughout a year and carefully study of theory topics in your exams. So these are the important topics, or these are the syllabus of our 11th standard crop science subject, that is known as the subject code is our B4. So these students carefully studied or listened. Then in morphology we study the different parts or organs of plant, that is the stem, root, flowers, leaf, then their modification, then we also study the seed, what is seed, and then the propagations, vegetative part of plants. So types of germination is also studied in this topic. Then second one chapter is our physiological functions of plant. Physiological functions, that means which reactions or which developments or changes done into the plant, that is not seen by eyes but it is continued. So these functions, physiological functions, are also studied in our physiological function chapter, that is the growth and development of plant, absorption of water and minerals, then the carbon, respiration, assimilation, then the dormancy of seed, then the maturity of seed or maturity of plant, then the critical growth phases or stages of the plant. So these are also studied in our in this topic or chapter. Next one is we study the soil. In soil there is a rock withering. Next one is the types of soil which are also studied in our topic, that is the soil formation process, then the physical properties of soil, chemical properties of soil, then the soil composition, then soil profile, then the organic matter of soil, types of soil, and their characters. We should study it in our soil management or soil agronomy topic. After that, the plant nutrients or crop nutrient. In this topic, which elements or nutrients are essential for plant growth? These are studied in this topic, that is the major nutrients or primary nutrients, secondary nutrients. Next one is the micronutrients, next one is the macronutrients, their functions, their deficiency or occurs on the plant. So then the soil fertility and soil productivity concept also we study. Then the manures. What is manures? Preparation and handling of application of manures. Then the benefits of bulky organic manures. Then the green manures and their compositions. How the organic manures are prepared. So these points are also considered or studied in manure topic. And next one is the fertilizer. What is fertilizer? That is the definition of fertilizer, the types of fertilizers, that are the straight fertilizer, mixed fertilizer, compound fertilizer, their formulation, which nutrients are available in that fertilizer, application time of fertilizer, recommended fertilizer doses of for different crop. And then we study the next topic, that is the soil and plant water relationship. Soil and plant water relationship. In this point or in this topic, we study the soil water supply and losses of soil water, then its expressions, then the soil moisture constants, then available soil moistures and evaluation, then the consumptive use of water, when and how to apply water to the field or crop, and when is need of water to the plant, how it is measured. So these points are also studied in this topic. Then the drainage. What is the drainage? Its definition, its benefit, associated problems which are related to the drainage system of soil, then the saline soils, alkali soils, and their methods of reclamation. So these points are also studied in this topic. Then we study the paper second topic, that is known as a seed. In seed, that is the seed, what is seed, its definition and its environment, seed testing methods, procedures, why seed testings are given, how it is tested before the use. So these points are also studied in seed topic. And after that, the seeding depth of seed depth, then the spacing, population and density of seed or plant, then the objects of good seed and qualities of better qualities of seed or characters of seed. What is seed and grain? Difference between seed and grain, it also studied. Then the seed bed requirement of different crop, how is soil prepared for different crop for the germination, and what is the favorable seed bed or certain seed bed required for definite crop. These points are also studied in this topic. Then the seeding time or sowing time, then the how is seed rate calculated, or what is seed rate and why it is various in different crop. So these points are studied in seed topic. Then we study the primary tillage operations which are carried from the land preparation and up to the harvesting of crop. So these points are studied in this topic, that is the primary tillage, secondary tillage, seed bed preparation, soil tilth, and other major concepts and tillage implements which are used for different preparatory tillage operations, interculture operations, and after that the identification of tillage implements which are the use for different field practices or in field operations. Then we study the weed topic. What is weed, its definition, then the weed growth habit, then the classification of weed plants in different ways, physical, mechanical, and chemical, and also biological weed control method. These are also studied in this topic, and the common weeds which are always or frequently appeared into the field crops during the particular season or particular crop. So these points are also studied in this topic, and how it is managed or controlled, and after that the integrated weed control methods. These points are also studied in this topic. Then we study irrigation. What is irrigation, when and how to apply irrigation, why is the need of irrigation water to the crop, it is crop, plant or soil. So these points are how much irrigate the crop or field, and methods of irrigations which are followed as a traditional and recently advanced irrigation methods. These are also studied in this topic. Then we study soil conservation topic. In soil conservation topic, soil erosion, what is soil erosion, and how it is measured, or how soil erosion take place in different areas. These points are also studied. Then the losses and causes, what are the losses of soil erosion, and after that the why it is need of soil conservation, different practices or methods of soil conservation, how is soil conserved, how is water conserved, so or how is water percolate into the soil, which methods are applied, what is the water management or water side management, rainwater harvesting. These points are studied in this topic. Then next topic we study the cropping systems. What are the cropping systems? Crop rotations, different cropping systems, that is mixed cropping, multiple cropping, and other their merits, demerits, and crop mixture and principles of their objects, cropping intensity. So these points are also studied in this point. What is crop rotation, why it is required, or what are the benefits of different cropping system or planting methods in our agriculture. Then we study the harvesting, storage, and marketing, and post harvest management of different crop. In this point, what is harvesting, why is plant harvest or economical part of plant is cut or detached from the plant. Then the harvesting, storage, and its marketing, their principles, criteria, and their methods, and crop quality or product quality, how it is graded, and after that how it is transported or fetches the lower or higher prices into the market. Then we study the crop improvement. In this point we study the different methods of crop improvement, that is the selection method, self pollination method, then the hybridization method, then the hybrid seed production of sorghum and cotton crop. These points are also studied in this topic. Then we study the next topic, that is the insect and pest identification and their nature of damage and symptoms and their control measures, which insects or pests are majorly attack on the crop, their types, their control measure and their symptoms, the definite insects or pests which are majorly or mostly attack during the certain crop growth or development in particular season, how it how the uh, judge or determine the attack of different pest, how it is the survey of pest and why it is controlled, which insecticides are used for pest or insect control, which chemicals are used for to control the fungus diseases, the types of diseases like that is the fungal diseases, number second bacterial diseases and number third viral diseases. So the types of these diseases and which diseases are majorly attack on particular crop, these are studied in this topic and how it is controlled, seed treatments, then we study also the fungicides which are used to control the different diseases, seed-borne diseases, soil-borne diseases. Then we study the types of insect or pest, how it is determine or judge the injury level or economical injury level of pest and disease. It is between the lower or when it is higher, when it is controlled, how to control integrated pest and disease management into the different field crops. So in this topic we study the identification of pest and collection of pest and disease. So these points are also studied in this topic. So student, we try to explain the introduction of our subject and its topic and which points are we study in this subject. So in next topic we study the or in our next lecture, next video we studied different topic of our subject. So you are always welcome students. There are well done and you got or chose appropriate field or faculty of crop science because in future there is a agriculture field and medical field or medical sector is always remain as a farmer and it is give the direction of our economy and to you. So these point welcome all students and we stop here our introduction lecture. So in next lecture we study the new topic and which is our related to the subject. So students, thank you.